What's up guys, it's Deanna. Welcome back to our channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a day in the life because I actually am currently filming IG story. So it's gonna be a little bit of that, but it's also going to be all about our new Double Duty Beauty products, and I'm obsessed with these. These are perfect for on the go, like a no makeup look, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about that. But really, you guys are just gonna follow along with what I do for Instagram stories today, which includes a workout, and I'm gonna be using Stay Spray, so you're gonna see how my makeup holds up with Stay Spray. I don't know how many times I just tried to hold all these up and press the boomerang button at the same time. It's kind of impossible to do this one-handed, but wow, this is probably not gonna be a good shot. We'll try it. You guys know that I'm very into the minimal, no makeup look, on the go, natural, especially now that I'm a mom. So I know I've talked about this a million times, but I am loving our Found Sealer. Obviously, you can tell by the amount that's left in this bottle. But yeah, this is our Babasu Found Sealer. It is like skincare and foundation, had a baby. I love this. Again, I'm not someone that takes a lot of time on my makeup in the morning. I mean, if I'm going out or have like an event, of course I do. But on your normal everyday, I don't. So this is great because it's skincare and foundation in one. If I skip a step, I don't have to worry about it. The other thing I don't have to worry about is getting SPF because this has SPF built right into it. So for me, this is a no-brainer. I love this so much. I also have been doing my brows with our Busy Gal brows, and this is the shade Ash Blonde. And I love this because again, it's so easy, it's foolproof. It's got the most adorable little spoolie, and it's just great for precise application. And it gives me that subtle hint of color, but it's not gonna move anywhere. And then for concealer, I've been using our creaseless concealer. This is so hydrating, and my under eyes have been really dry post-baby. So my skin's just really dry in general. I love that I don't need a brush or a sponge or anything. I can just literally apply this with my fingertips. You can just see how that instantly brightened my under eyes. And of course, I am gonna be doing a workout for Instagram stories, so I'll show you guys that on here too. But I like to wear makeup to work out, and this might sound crazy to some of you, but usually my workouts are like scheduled in very quickly, on the go, last minute. So if I am going to work and then I'm gonna work out afterwards, I like to do a makeup look like this because it's not too much when I go to the gym and I'm rushing. I don't have time to necessarily take off all my makeup. So this is a look that I love to do because again, it can be like an everyday makeup look, but it's also great for working out. It's not super heavy. It's really good for your skin too, so it's not gonna clog your pores. These are the products that I use for it. So again, Found Sealer, Creaseless Concealer, Busy Gal Brows, and now finally I'm so excited about our new Busy Gal Blush and our Busy Gal Gloss. I'm obsessed with these. I've actually been using them lately in Instagram stories and stuff and kind of hinting at them, and everyone's been going crazy asking what it was. So yeah, I'm really excited about these. They just launched on Tarte.com and they're going to be such staples in my everyday life. So I just want to quickly show you guys the swatches for our new Double Duty Beauty Busy Gal Blush. This one is the shade Mood, and it's like a peachy coral. And then this one is the shade Break Time, which is like a rosy mauve. I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade Mood. Again, this is like a peachy coral shade. And I'm just going to do like 3 dots like this. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my fingertips. Again, this is why I love this because it's so easy for on-the-go application. Don't need a brush. Oh, and I love the color. And then for gloss, I'm gonna apply the shade Work Wife. And I love this tube because it is so travel friendly. Look at this applicator, it's amazing. I'm obsessed with this. It is so nourishing, but it's not sticky at all. So when I do work out, if I have some flyaways, it's not gonna get stuck in this. And then I wanna just quickly show you guys the different shades of the gloss because there are 6 different shades. I personally love these. They are so hydrating, so nourishing, but not sticky at all. So here are the shades. There's all 6. This one is the shade Do It All. This one is the shade that I'm wearing in Work Wife. This is the shade Coffee Break. This is Run This Town. This really pretty gold is called Boss. So appropriate. And then this is another one of my favorites, 9 to 5. So let's head over to the park and do this workout. As you guys can see, I have my camera set up here for my Instagram story workout, so you guys will get to see a little bit behind the scenes on that. As you guys can see, it is a hot summer day, and I'm going to be working out in this, so I'm spraying our vegan stay spray. And we will see if this passes the test. Workout complete. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a little bit behind the scenes, I know, but if you guys want to see a workout on here, let me know in the comments down below. But obviously my makeup is still intact thanks to our vegan stay spray. But I'm gonna actually be heading out to get Ryan soon and then going on about my day. I'm still out of breath. I just picked up my little man. This is Ryan. We are sitting on our new outdoor furniture. I'm gonna grill some food, have a glass of wine, and that's the end of this day. I hope you guys enjoyed following along, and I'll see you later. Bye.